Hey, what's going on? What you just saw is super simple to do. Let's get to it. Step one, create the word. So you can go into Illustrator, that's what I did, or use whatever design program. Canva, it should work too. And then roughly spell out the word love. Have that be in one color. And then the wick, have that be a different color. And then you can rough that out on top as well. So once you do that, export it, have it somewhere because we're going to use that later, and jump to Adobe Firefly. So once you're in Adobe Firefly, what we're going to do is paste or type rather. I typed it beforehand, so I'm copy pasting. I'll read for you though. A lit red candle, some of the wax is melting, isolated in a minimalist ambiance. The candle is reflecting on the surface and the background is a different shade of red. So I'll have this prompt for you in the descriptor, but once you have that in there, you're going to want to hit generate. Sweet, boom. So once it's generated, I like the second one, looks really nice. I'm going to hit edit options and then use as style reference. So the one that you like, make sure you select use as style reference, go over to the left-hand panel and where it says the model Firefly image 4, we're gonna change that to Firefly image 3. Then scroll down a bit and where we see composition reference, we're gonna drop our reference there. So love, and hit that strength to 100%. So once you have that, we're gonna do one more thing. Change the lighting, that's all the way at the bottom, the lighting option over to studio light. So once that's done, go ahead and hit generate. Fantastic. So from here, you should have a couple of lovely options. This one here works for me. Download, on the top right corner, you should see a down arrow. So you can go ahead and click that to download. All right, great. So then we're going to jump over to Flow. That's Labs, or Google Flow, I should say. So once you're in Google Flow, you're gonna see, if you don't see what you're seeing here, log on to Google. That should bring you to this page. Click Create with Flow. And then once you enter, you're going to hit New Project. That should be on the bottom middle of your screen. And then under New Project, it should be all black screen. And you have some options here within this text field. You have text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. For this one, we're hitting frames to video. There's options on the right side of that same panel. And we're gonna select VO3 fast, beta audio. That should be the one all the way at the top. So then from there, we're going to go ahead and type in, I'm copy pasting, the lit candle flames are subtly moving. I don't know why that's so weird for me to say. You see it there. Then you're gonna go ahead and click the first frame here and select or upload. In your case, you're gonna go ahead and upload and then go to your image where you have your our love candle. And for me, I already did it, so I have it actually saved here. So I'm gonna click on it and that's it. You just hit the arrow and it'll generate for you. Boom, there you go.